What's up, guys? I just woke up. It's 4 p.m. Man, my sleeping schedule is fucked up. Anyways, the 500 push-ups challenge, I couldn't do it. When I said I couldn't, I literally forgot about it, and then spammed another push-ups. I did like uh, 310 push-ups. They're the perfect push-ups, literally. I didn't sacrifice a technique. I didn't sacrifice anything. I just did it perfectly. But because I did it so later, my muscles were already fucked up. And if you do not know that, when you spam them, your muscles won't get sore because you're already exercising it. But after some time, your body says, you know what, you have fucked up muscles. Let me repair them, and you cannot use them properly now. And the second thing, the business is getting set up. So a bit of things is a bit of things are remaining, and I'll just do them also. And on the job site, they came back from the cooking. They told me that the cooking has started. If you wanna, you can come. I'll go. And I have some kind of a website selling business now. I call businesses and sell websites. Yeah, not really anyone, wanna do that, wanna buy from me, but it's alright. I'll just do it continuously until I get good at it. Anyways, guys, that was the updates for now. Yeah, I'll just need to fucking work hard, or else it ain't gonna fucking matter. Just need to push it, and push it. So if you're in this kind of a situation where you're close to success, but it all matters on you, just fucking push it. And trust me. Just think about it. What will you sacrifice for that goal? Would you sacrifice anything? Think about I would sacrifice my comfort for that goal. So therefore, I need to fucking push myself. That's it. Anyways, guys, this was it. Just pump yourself up, be a good person, and have a nice day. See y'all in the next one.